everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great. If you are new to my channel, hi, my name is Madhushmita and you are welcome to Dear Wallet. Before moving on to the video, this video has been collaborated with Foxy. So if you want to know more about Foxy, then everything will be written in the description box, so do not forget to check it out. So as you guys all know that we are in middle of a pandemic and mandatory to wear a mask, and जब भी हम बाहर जाएंगे तो हमको mask पहनना mandatory होगा. Our mouth will be hidden and the only thing that will be visible are our eyes. So basically in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can express your eyes and let your eyes do the talking while you wear a mask. So basically in this video I have created this eye makeup look, and for me this eye makeup look really speaks for me. It's fun, very intense and very sluttery. So yeah, so I feel very confident and I feel that whenever someone will look into my eyes will express everything and they will understand what I'm trying to say. So yeah, so if you're interested to know how I created this look, then please continue watching. First, let me just wear the mask. So today we are going to create a very subtle eye makeup look, some transition and a mask proof eye makeup. So first I'm starting with my eyebrows. So let me just brush my eyebrows with this spoolie, and then I'm going to take the Maybelline the Nudes palette. It's a very good palette for beginners. It has all neutral shades for everyday wear. So first I'm going to take the shades, like the light brown shades and the black shades. I'm just going to mix both the shades to get my eyebrow shades. So yeah, so I'm just going to fill the sparse areas. Next I'm going to take the cool tone brown shade right over here and apply it on my crease areas, and slowly gradually just elongating the line just like a cat liner. So yeah, just to give it a foxy effect, to make my eye makeup look more elongated, I'm just going to do it and blend it in. Now to add some definition to my eye makeup, I'm just going to take this golden shimmery shade and apply it all over my lids. Now I believe that eyeliner just takes the eye makeup look to a complete different level. So I'm just going to create a very thin wing liner. Now to add some drama, I'm going to take the Sugar Cosmetics gel liner, and I literally love this liner. The shade is so pretty. It's a royal blue shade, and I'm just going to apply just above the liner, just to give a gradient effect. Also, I'm going to use the same gel liner under my lower lash line to intensify the eye makeup. Complete the whole look, I'm just going to take the white shimmer shade to highlight my inner corner to make the eye makeup more popping. So yeah, that's how I created this mask proof eye makeup look. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.